we've got a finger play for you. It's called These Are Baby's Fingers, and you can either have an older baby laying on your lap or sitting on your lap, or you can be holding a younger one, like so. All right. These are baby's fingers. These are baby's toes. This is baby's belly button. Round and round it goes.
Hello, I'm Miss Becca, and I'm going to show you how to do the song Head and Shoulders Baby 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to be tapping the different parts of baby's body as we sing them. It goes like this. Head and shoulders baby 1, 2, 3. Head and shoulders baby 1, 2, 3. Head and shoulders baby 1, 2, 3. Head and shoulders, head and shoulders, head and shoulders baby 1, 2, 3. Knees and toes, baby, 1, 2, 3. Knees and toes, baby, 1, 2, 3. Knees and toes, baby, 1, 2, 3. Knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, baby, 1, 2, 3. Back and belly, 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 back and belly, back and belly, baby. 1, 2, 3. Hooray, babies!
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Jordan, and today I'm going to show you an egg shaker song called Can You Shake Your Egg With Me? And it's to the tune of London Bridge, and it goes like this. Can you shake your egg with me? Shake your egg along with me. It's as easy as can be. Now put it on your tummy. Can you shake your egg with me? Shake your egg along with me. It's as easy as can be. Now shake it on your knee. Can you shake your egg with me? Shake your egg along with me. It's as easy as can be. Now shake it on your elbow. And then you can repeat this with any kind of body part you would like. So that's a fun little song, and thank you.